Introduce my name, Anton Pernanz. NPM 224111017. Here I will explain industrial and organizational material. Psychology, industrial HRM. Industrial and organizational psychology and industrial HRM. Industrial and organizational, IO psychology and industrial human resource management, HRM, are two closely related fields that focus on enhancing workplace productivity, employee well-being, and organizational effectiveness. These disciplines apply scientific principles to understand and improve human behavior in work settings, addressing a wide range of issues from employee selection and training to organizational development and change management. While IO psychology tends to emphasize research and theory development, industrial HRM concentrates more on practical applications and strategic management of human resources. Together, these fields play a crucial role in shaping modern work environments and driving organizational success in an increasingly complex and dynamic business landscape. Core areas of IO psychology. Industrial and organizational psychology encompasses a wide range of topics and specializations, reflecting the complexity of human behavior in work settings. These core areas form the foundation of IO psychology research and practice, providing a comprehensive framework for understanding and improving workplace dynamics. Each of these areas contributes to the overall goal of enhancing organizational effectiveness and employee well-being. IO psychologists often specialize in one or more of these domains, developing expertise in specific methodologies and interventions tailored to address unique organizational challenges. Personnel selection and assessment. Developing and implementing tools and techniques for hiring and promoting employees, including job analysis, psychometric testing, and structured interviews. Training and development. Designing, implementing, and evaluating programs to enhance employee skills, knowledge, and abilities, as well as leadership development initiatives. Performance management. Creating systems for setting goals, providing feedback, and evaluating employee performance to optimize individual and organizational outcomes. Organizational development. Facilitating large-scale organizational change, improving organizational culture, and enhancing overall effectiveness through strategic interventions. Core areas of IO psychology. Industrial and organizational psychology encompasses a wide range of topics and specializations, reflecting the complexity of human behavior in work settings. These core areas form the foundation of IO psychology research and practice, providing a comprehensive framework for understanding and improving workplace dynamics. Each of these areas contributes to the overall goal of enhancing organizational effectiveness and employee well-being. IO psychologists often specialize in one or more of these domains, developing expertise in specific methodologies and interventions tailored to address unique organizational challenges. Personnel selection and assessment. Developing and implementing tools and techniques for hiring and promoting employees, including job analysis, psychometric testing, and structured interviews. Training and development. Designing, implementing, and evaluating programs to enhance employee skills, knowledge, and abilities, as well as leadership development initiatives. Performance management. Creating systems for setting goals, providing feedback, and evaluating employee performance to optimize individual and organizational outcomes. Organizational development. Facilitating large-scale organizational change, improving organizational culture, and enhancing overall effectiveness through strategic interventions. Key theories in IO psychology. IO psychology draws upon a rich theoretical foundation to explain workplace behavior and guide interventions. These theories provide frameworks for understanding complex phenomena such as motivation, leadership, and organizational change. Some of the most influential theories in the field include Maslow's hierarchy of needs, Herzberg's two-factor theory, and the job characteristics model. Contemporary IO psychology continues to refine and expand upon these foundational theories, integrating insights from cognitive psychology, neuroscience, and other related fields. This ongoing theoretical development ensures that IO psychology remains at the forefront of understanding and improving workplace dynamics in an ever-changing business landscape. Maslow's hierarchy explains human motivation through a hierarchy of needs, from basic physiological needs to self-actualization. Herzberg's two-factor distinguishes between motivators, e.g., achievement, recognition, and hygiene factors, e.g., salary, working conditions, in job satisfaction. Job characteristics model identifies core job dimensions that contribute to employee motivation, satisfaction, and performance. Social exchange theory explains workplace relationships and behaviors in terms of reciprocal exchanges between individuals and organizations. Industrial HRM, strategic human resource management. Industrial human resource management, HRM, focuses on the strategic management of an organization's human capital. It encompasses a wide range of practices designed to align human resource policies and procedures with organizational goals and objectives. Strategic HRM emphasizes the importance of human resources as a source of competitive advantage, recognizing that effective management of people can significantly impact organizational performance. Key components of strategic HRM include workforce planning, talent acquisition and retention, performance management, compensation and benefits, and employee relations. By adopting a strategic approach, HRM professionals can contribute to organizational success by ensuring that human resource practices support and drive business strategies. Workforce planning. Analyzing current and future workforce needs to ensure the organization has the right talent in place to achieve its goals. Talent management. Developing and implementing strategies to attract, develop, and retain high-performing employees across all levels of the organization. Strategic alignment. Ensuring that HR policies and practices are aligned with and support the organization's overall business strategy and objectives. Employee selection and assessment. Employee selection and assessment is a critical area where IO psychology and industrial HRM intersect. This process involves identifying, attracting, and choosing the most suitable candidates for job positions within an organization. IO psychologists play a crucial role in developing and validating selection tools and methods, while HRM professionals typically implement these tools in practical settings. Key components of the selection and assessment process include job analysis, development of selection criteria, design and administration of assessment tools, and evaluation of selection outcomes. Modern approaches increasingly incorporate technology, such as artificial intelligence and machine learning, to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of candidate screening and assessment. Job analysis. Systematically analyzing job requirements and competencies needed for successful performance. Selection criteria. Developing specific, job-related criteria for evaluating candidates based on job analysis results. Assessment tools. Designing and implementing various assessment methods, such as interviews, tests, and simulations. Decision-making. Integrating assessment results to make informed hiring decisions aligned with organizational needs. Training and development are essential components of both IO psychology and industrial HRM, focusing on enhancing employee skills, knowledge, and abilities to improve individual and organizational performance. IO psychologists contribute to this area by researching learning theories, designing effective training methodologies, and evaluating training outcomes. HRM professionals, in turn, are often responsible for implementing and managing training and development programs within organizations. Modern approaches to training and development emphasize continuous learning, personalized development paths, and the integration of technology-enhanced learning solutions. These may include e-learning platforms, virtual reality simulations, and micro-learning modules designed to meet the evolving needs of a diverse and increasingly digital workforce. Training type, description, benefits, on-the-job training, learning while performing actual work tasks, immediate application, cost-effective, e-learning, online courses and modules, flexible, scalable, self-paced, simulation-based training, realistic scenarios for practice, safe environment experiential learning, mentoring programs, pairing experienced employees with newer ones, knowledge transfer, career development, organizational development and change management. Organizational development, OD, and change management are critical areas where IO psychology and industrial HRM converge to address large-scale organizational challenges. OD focuses on improving organizational effectiveness through planned interventions in the organization's processes, structure, and people. Change management, closely related to OD, involves guiding organizations through significant transformations, such as mergers, restructuring, or technological implementations. IO psychologists contribute to these fields by developing theoretical models of organizational change, designing intervention strategies, and evaluating their effectiveness. HRM professionals often play a key role in implementing these strategies, managing stakeholder communications, and addressing the human aspects of organizational change. Together, these disciplines help organizations navigate complex transitions while minimizing disruption and maximizing positive outcomes. Diagnosing organizational issues. Utilizing various assessment tools and methodologies to identify areas for improvement and develop targeted interventions. Designing change strategies. Creating comprehensive plans for implementing organizational changes, considering both technical and human factors. Managing resistance to change. Developing strategies to address employee concerns, communicate effectively, and build support for organizational initiatives. Evaluating change outcomes. Assessing the effectiveness of change interventions and making data-driven adjustments to ensure long-term success. Future trends in IO psychology and industrial HRM. As the workplace continues to evolve, IO psychology and industrial HRM are adapting to address new challenges and opportunities. Emerging trends in these fields include the increasing use of artificial intelligence and machine learning in HR processes, the growing emphasis on diversity, equity, and inclusion initiatives, and the need to support remote and hybrid work arrangements. Additionally, there is a growing focus on employee well-being and work-life balance as organizations recognize the importance of holistic approaches to human capital management. Future research and practice in IO psychology and industrial HRM are likely to explore topics such as the psychological impact of technological advancements, the role of big data in decision-making, and the development of sustainable and socially responsible HR practices. As these fields continue to evolve, they will play a crucial role in shaping the future of work and organizations. AI-driven HR processes. Advanced AI systems assisting in recruitment, performance management, and employee development. Inclusive work environments. Emphasis on creating diverse, equitable, and inclusive workplaces that foster innovation and engagement. Remote work solutions. Developing strategies to support and optimize remote and hybrid work arrangements.